Good afternoon, Josie here from Finest Laya. Today I'm going to share with you my version of chicken curry. This dish is a favorite. Everyone in my family loves it. I usually cook this when we have a family gathering. So I'm going to show you how I prepare my chicken curry dish. This is my version of chicken curry mix. It contains cumin, coriander seeds, cinnamon, turmeric, clove, paprika, fenugreek, and cardamom. Roast the spices, but be careful not to burn it. These are the other ingredients that I use. I have garlic, onion, and ginger slice. Now we're ready to add in the spices and the other ingredients. Add a little bit of water to the chicken and stir in order to coat the chicken with the spices. Put the top on and steam for about an hour and a half. So while the chicken curry is cooking, I made this pot of black tea to enjoy outside with my husband.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon and welcome to our back porch. We are getting ready to have an afternoon cup of tea. And let me tell you, it looks good.
Okay.
It's going to be a delight. And Josie will tell you a little bit more about it.
So this is Assam black tea. Milk. And brown sugar. There you have it. Here is for you. And this is mine. Cheers.
Cheers. A nice cup of tea. It's been a very busy day. Been doing a lot since the early morning and still haven't finished up. I made a big mess and I can taste it in my mouth because of dust, and there's no better way to work on that and using a nice cup of tea.
And there is chicken curry cooking, which we will share with our family. Chicken curry with white rice and all the trimmings.
So very nice. And when she says trimmings, she's talking about some raita, and she's talking about sort of chopped combination of chopped cucumbers and onions and mango and
Tomatoes.
And boy, with this chicken curry, oh me, it is going to be tasty. But nothing like a cup of tea to prefix it or suffix it or just fix it. Nothing like it.
That's right.
Well, I hope that wherever you you can take a time and take a chance. I hope you are able to just enjoy a little piece of the day. Put whatever you're doing aside, and if you wish, have a nice cup of tea, and if not, just sit there and enjoy that little space that you've been given for today.
Oh, that's right. It has been a really beautiful day today and yesterday as well, and we are just enjoying this weather. Garden is just showing lots of flowers and the birds and the pollinators are just happy jumping from one flower to another.
In the summertime in the United States, the weather is tropical. And this year we've been getting a good bit of rain, and the rain along with tropical temperatures just makes plants go crazy. And in addition to that, we have a family of hawks. I think they're red-tailed hawks. And there's not one, not two, but three juveniles hanging out together in different places. And I've seen them all lined up on the line between three telephone poles. Had these three, I guess you would call them almost juveniles. But they're new and they're fresh and they're learning. One day one was sitting up there on the cross pieces on the telephone pole, and he was being harassed by a mockingbird. And I don't think he even appreciates the fact that he was being harassed, but that will come with time. Anyway, this tea is really nice, the evening's really nice, and we're thinking about you.
I better go and check the chicken to see if it needs a little bit more of water or just to stir.
Or maybe salt, or maybe some other secret ingredient that makes it the best chicken curry in the world.
That's right. I'm adding a sprig of curry leaf. It is a spice that I grow in the garden, a small tree that gives this wonderful, unique aroma to curry. Now I'm also adding about a cup of coconut milk to give this nice, smooth taste. And now our chicken curry is ready to be served.